Hello friends, today we're going to learn about comparatives. Comparatives are used to compare two things or people. They show which one has more or less of a quality. Example, bigger, smaller, faster, slower, better, worse, etc. For short adjectives with one syllable, we use the than structure. For example, the word short is used as shorter than in comparison. The word tall is used as taller than in comparison. The word fast is used as faster than in comparison. The word small is used as smaller than in comparison. The rabbit is faster than the turtle. The rabbit is faster than the turtle. The giraffe is taller than the lion. Some two-syllable adjectives end with the letter Y. Take the IR suffix for comparison. For example, silly is used as sillier in comparison. Funny is used as funnier in comparison. The right girl is happier than the left girl. The cat is funnier than the dog. When an adjective has one syllable and ends in E, we add R to make the comparative form. For example, large becomes larger. When an adjective has one syllable and follows the pattern consonant-vowel consonant, we double the consonant and add For instance, big becomes bigger. The horse is bigger than the foal. For adjectives with two or more syllables, we use more before the adjective to form the comparative. For example, expensive becomes more expensive. Similarly, dangerous becomes more dangerous. A car is more expensive than a motorcycle. The snake is more dangerous than the monkey. Irregular adjectives in English don't follow the typical pattern for making comparisons. Instead of adding ER or using more, they have unique forms. For example, good becomes better, bad becomes worse, far becomes farther or further. The bank is farther than the home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational and fun videos.